In 1957, the Soviet Union successfully launched Sputnik, which was the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. The United States felt that they needed to act quickly because they felt that the Soviet Union's education was greater, and some felt threatened by this. Therefore, the United States decided to place the NDEA into effect. The NDEA was a part of a science plan that President Dwight D. Eisenhower implemented in 1958 to increase the technological power of the United States through NASA. The NDEA, or the National Defense Education Act, which provided funding to the United States education institutions at all levels, was influenced by the launch of the satellite Sputnik. Americans feared that the USSR was greater than them. Therefore, Congress passed the NDEA to try to bring U.S. schools to a greater level of education. There was a sense nationally that U.S. scientists were behind the scientists of the Soviet Union. The early success of the Soviet Union in the space race made Americans uneasy about the Soviets' technological advances, especially after Sputnik, the first launched satellite ever. Afterwards, U.S. citizens stayed in school longer. Millions of more people started enrolling to colleges. The National Defense Education Act helped the country with specific defense-oriented personnel, and it provided financial help for the growing numbers in students enrolling to colleges.